What's up guys, Andrew here once again. So this is just a quick video basically breaking down how to dropship on the Facebook Marketplace. So a lot of you know kind of bits and pieces of how to do it, but I still get a lot of questions about certain things, so I'm just going to break it down nice and clearly. So first of all, again, if you want to seriously make money online, subscribe to my channel. This is what this channel is about. And also, I've just done a free training. I finished making a free training on how to dropship on Facebook Marketplace, where I show you, I do a lot of screen shares, that kind of thing. So I really recommend you click the link down below, get this free training. And so yeah, I'll just cover now quickly how to dropship on Facebook Marketplace. So dropshipping in general, the way it works, so it's a form of e-commerce, it's a form of buying and selling online. So dropshipping, the way it works is you sell the item first and then you buy it. So you have a load of items listed up somewhere online. In this case, we're dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace. So you have items listed on Facebook Marketplace, items that you don't have. But what you do is you make the sale, and I'll tell you how to do that in a second. You make the sale. So once you've got the money and you've got this person's address, the buyer's address, their delivery details, you go onto the supplier website or the wholesale or whatever, wherever you're getting the item from. You go on that website, you basically order this item, not to you, but straight to this customer, and that's how dropshipping works. Dropshipping is amazing. You can do it from anywhere. You can pick your own hours, that kind of thing. You don't need any money up front, depending on a few things, but in general, often you don't need any money up front. I didn't, you don't really on Facebook Marketplace. Again, depending on a few things, depending on how you do it and your personal situation. Okay, so that's dropshipping. You sell the item first and then you order it, and obviously keep the profit. So we're dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace. You list items onto Facebook Marketplace. So in the UK, this video I'm going to leave it specifically about the UK and European countries in general. It works differently in the US to what I'm talking about here, but in UK, in Europe, other countries like that. So essentially we go onto a supplier website, and it can even be a retailer website. I use Amazon a lot of the time. Loads of people use Amazon, all sorts of other websites as well. You can find one of my favorite suppliers in this free training down below. Click that link. So let's just say Amazon. You're Amazon, you find some tables, you look at the table section in Amazon. You can literally list these Amazon tables onto Facebook Marketplace without having to buy these tables first. Once you make the sale on Facebook Marketplace, again, which I'll tell you how to do in a sec, you make that sale and then you go onto Amazon and just literally order it straight to the customer, and that's dropshipping. Dropshipping from Amazon onto Facebook, using Amazon as a supplier in this example. And so how do you make the sale on Facebook Marketplace in the UK? The way to make the sale is, so you list these items up. If they're good, if they're popular, if people want them, and if you list them well, write pictures and title and all that kind of thing. So if you do it well, the buyer will scroll down and then they will see this table, and then they'll send you a message telling you that they're interested. And in the UK, what you have to do to make this sale, you have to chat to this person in Messenger. Often, well usually really, they intend to go and collect it. That's what they're expecting, that you're going to arrange some kind of meeting. They collect it in person, they pay you in cash generally. But we're not doing that, we're dropshipping. So you need to tell them that you do delivery only and that you take payment first. So you tell them that you take payment via PayPal usually. I take payment via PayPal 90% of the time. 10% is via bank transfer, but I always offer PayPal first because it's just more secure. It's more secure. If something goes wrong in the transaction for whatever reason, I could claim my money back, or the buyer could claim their money back. So you can tell that to the buyer just for their security. So that's how you make the sale. You do it in chat. Tell them delivery only, and often they'll just be like, nope, sorry, I want to collect only. And really there's no way to convince them if they made up their mind. But really the way it works as well is that often people will just be like, okay, cool, what's your PayPal address? And so it's not really about convincing them, it's just some will, some won't. And that's pretty much it, how to dropship on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, I hope you liked that video. I hope you got something out of it, and stay tuned for the coming videos where I'm going to go in a lot deeper about Facebook Marketplace and supplies, items, all that kind of thing. So see you there.